Come on, fast. Touch and say, ma. Touch the animal. Whatever animal you are saying, touch it. That's one. Come on, Dashwan. Where is cat? Okay, I'll tell you. You touch the animal. Come on. Where is cat? Where is cat? Touch the cat. Okay, he's not in the mood, I think. Okay. Next is who else? Keshav. Keshav.
Ma'am.
Come on, tell me what are the animals here?
What is it?
Touch and say. Touch the screen and say.
Duck.
Okay.
Cat.
Mm.
Boya.
Mm.
Cat.
What is inside the cage?
Baby.
What?
What is this?
What is inside the cage?
Billet. Rabbit.
Say loudly, Mama.
Abba.
Now
Rabbit.
yes, very good, Keshav. Thank you, Keshav. Next is Vihan. Thank you, Ma Keshav. Next is Vihan. 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 What are the animals here, Vihan? Vihan is not there, huh?
Ma'am, Vihan will go next, ma'am. There's something on my iPad. So give me a minute.
Yeah, okay. Next who else is there? Mahini. Come on, Mahini, finish.
What do you say?
What are the animals you see here?
Okay. What animals? What are the animals?
Mahilini.
What are the animals?
Cat.
And then? Dog. Yeah. Then?
Cat.
Next.
Okay. Where are the animals?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay.
Then?
The rabbit.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Ma Mahilini. Dharneshwar.
Thank you, ma'am.
Vihan is ready, ma'am.
Dharneshwar. Okay. Thank you, Ma Dharneshwar. Next is Radhyani. 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 Good morning, Radhyani. Come on, tell me what are the animals you see here, pet animals. Dog. Cat is there? Cat is there? Okay. What? Dog, rabbit, then? Another one. You can't see a cat, huh? Where is cat? Come on, touch the cat. Where is cat? Touch it. Yeah, good. Thank you, Maradhyani. Next is Madhuvanti.
I'm telling them.
Madhuvanti.
Dog,
Mm.
cat,
Mm.
அப்புறம்
Mm.
cat.
Mm.
இது என்னது?
Which one?
Cat. இது என்னது? இது என்னது? இல்ல.
Rat. Rat toy. It's a toy. Okay. Okay, Madhuvanti. Thank you so much. Next is Prisha. Prisha. Children, you can see rabbit, hen, squirrel, cat, dog, and a rat toy, and a rabbit toy. Okay, and again you can see a cat on the lap of the grandma. Okay. Now, Prisha.
What is this?
Dog,
Mm.
parrot,
Mm.
sheep,
Mm.
cat,
Mm.
squirrel,
Mm.
duck,
Very good, Prisha. Well done. So many animals you said. Very good girl. Next.
Ma'am, Darshan is student, ma'am.
Yeah, that's one. Come on.
thank you, ma'am.
Don't cry this time, Dashwan. Come on.
Cat,
Mm.
Rabbit.
Mm.
Sound. Story.
Rabbit, then
Hen.
yeah,
Okay.
then can you see a duck?
Parrot.
parrot,
Where is duck? Come on, touch the duck.
Duck.
Where is duck? Good. Thank you, Ma. Dashwan. Vihan, ready?
Yes, ma'am. Vihan is ready.
Come on, Vihan.
Sit, kid. Sollu. Ma'am is asking. What are the animals? Tell. சொன்னேன்ல சொல்லு. Dog.
if mango cheeks,
சொல்லு. Dog.
Come on, Vihan.
சவுண்டா சொல்லு.
mango,
ஏய், dog சொல்லு.
dog,
ஆ.
mango,
Mongoose. Where can you see mongoose?
mongoose எங்க இருக்கு?
Mouse or rat, whatever it is. Okay, next one.
சொல்லு.
parrot,
Mm.
dog, rabbit,
ம்.
hen,
ம்.
squirrel,
ம்.
duck,
ம்.
cat,
Very good. Thank you, Ma. Vihan. Thank you so much.
rabbit.
Okay. Sarah. Sarah is there? Sarah, Sai Shivanya, anyone is there?
Good
Sai
morning,
Shivanya.
ma'am.
Good morning, Sai Shivanya. Come on, find out the animals here.
Dog,
Mm.
cat,
Mm.
bird,
Mm.
parrot,
Mm.
duck,
Mm.
snail,
Mm?
bunny,
Squirrel, she's saying squirrel.
Squirrel. Ah, okay.
bunny,
Bunny. Very good. Thank you, Sai Shivanya. Santosh.
அப்புறம்
Santosh. Nova Varsha.
hi ma'am, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Ma Varsha. Find out the animals here.
Dog,
Mm.
cat,
Mm.
sheep,
Mm.
hen,
Mm.
rabbit,
Mm.
Squirrel.
squirrel,
Very good, Ma Varsha. Thank you so much. Visha.
cat.
Thank you. Visha.
Good morning, Vanilla meat.
Yeah, good morning, Ma. Come on, find out the animals.
நம்மளுக்கு சொல்லு என்னது
Dog,
சத்தமா சொல்லு
dog,
இது
Mm.
இது என்னது
பூனை,
கேட்
Oh, cat. Ah.
இது
ஆடு,
ஆடு இல்ல கோட்
goat,
Goat.
இது
Okay.
இது இல்ல இது சொல்லு இங்க பாரு இது சொல்லு இதுக்குள்ள இருக்கு என்னது இது கிளி பேரட்
கிளி,
கிளி இல்ல பேரட் சொல்லு இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்லு
Parrot. Parrot.
பேரட் இது
Where
என்னது
is the rabbit? Where is rabbit?
ராபிட் எங்க இருக்கு தொட்டு காட்டு
Very good. Thank you, Visha. Next is Kavikartika. Kavikartika. Good morning, Kavikartika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, why don't you wish me as soon as you enter? Waiting for mama.
Rabbit,
Okay.
dog,
Hmm.
cat,
Hmm.
squirrel,
Hmm.
chick,
Sheep. Sheep. Okay, then.
carrot.
Huh? Carrot. Parrot. Did you say parrot or carrot? Very good, Kavi Kartika. Thank you so much. Okay, children, we'll start our session. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Come on, stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Yes, very good. Prisha, will you repeat after ma'am today? Prisha,
Say okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
it's the anthem.
It's the anthem.
You are within me.
You are within me.
You are infinite.
You are infinite.
You are unique. My potential inside.
My potential inside. Louder.
You are the wing.
You are the wing
Beneath my flight.
under my flight.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
Today I pledge with all my might.
With all my might.
I shall achieve you.
I shall achieve
My potential inside.
my potential inside.
Very good. Good morning. Thank you, Priya, and thank you, Keshav. Very good morning. Unmute yourself and say good
சவுண்டா சொல்லு
morning, everybody. Good morning. Yes, very good morning. Okay, come on, don't sit down. Stand up. Time for the activity. Come on, run inside and bring a red color object. Go inside and bring a red color object. Find out fast, fast, fast. Red color. Any red color. Any red color. Visha, very smart. School bag. Red, very good. Very good, Rajin. Yeah, very good, Darshan. Very good, Malini. Good. Very good, red color. Okay. Now the next color is blue.
Blue. Richard blue is
Blue.
Go pick blue.
Go
Blue
inside
is
and bring. Don't ask your parents. Go inside and bring. Blue. Blue. Very good, Shivanya. Next is blue.
Blue is
Shivanya, blue is back of you. See there, the dolphin. Blue.
okay.
Very good, children. Very fast in the morning. Very good, active children. Here, Sugri Gautam. Okay. Next is green.
Green color.
Green. Run inside and bring. I don't want any of you to sit down. Run inside and bring.
Okay, good.
Come on. Very good. Green color. Very good. Very good, Hazel. Mahini, good. Okay. Next is black.
Black color.
Black.
Black color.
Black.
Hello.
Come on, bring black color. Very good. Well done. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. All of the good children. Good. Very good. Well done. Now clap hands for yourself.
Clap,
Very
clap,
good.
clap.
So fast. You did
Clap.
the activity. Very good. High five to everyone.
High five.
High five. Nice. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you days of the week. You are going to jump. Ready, all of you?
Okay.
Keep your objects down. Days of the week. So how many days are there? There are 7 days in a week. Sarah, stand up. Okay, so we are going to jump for 7 times, telling the names or days of the week. Okay, ready? Ready? Steady? Go. Sunday. Jump, all of you. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday.
Thursday.
Friday. And Friday. Yes, 7 days. See here, 7 fingers. 7 days, right? Now all of you close your fingers. Say along with ma'am. Okay, don't unmute yourself. Say along with ma'am. Okay, be in mute mode, but you have to repeat after ma'am. Okay, children. Come on. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. And Saturday. Very good. Well, now we are going to sing a rhyme related to days of the week. All of you mute yourself. Come on. Then only you can hear me clearly, children. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, holiday. Holiday is a jolly day. Yes, one more time. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, holiday. Holiday is a jolly day. Yes, holiday is a jolly day, right? You will all enjoy with your parents. You will play. You will watch TV. Yes. Saturday, Sunday, holiday. Holiday is a jolly day. Very good. Now let's carry on with our attendance. Come on, go drink 1 glass of water and come back, children. Drink water and come back. Ready? Dashwan. Dashwan. Very good, Dashwan. Hazel. 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 Very good, Hazel. Jacinta Joy. Jason. Both of them are absent. Keshav. Very good, Keshav. Next is Madhvanti. Madhvanti. Very good, Madhvanti. Mahini.
Yes, ma'am. Sound.
Mahini.
Sound.
Very good, Malini. Mitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I am. Forgot. Okay, Prisha. Yeah, thank you, Kanna. Prisha. Prisha.
Here I am. Say here I am. Ma'am is calling you. Say
Prisha.
here I am.
Yeah,
Very good, Prisha. Radhyani.
yeah.
Very good, Rudvin.
Here I am.
Very good, Rudvin. Good boy. Sarah. Sarah.
Say here I am.
Good morning, Sarah.
Hello. Good morning. अच्छा here I am बोलना ना.
Hey,
ऐसे बोलो.
Sarah. Yeah, very good. Sai Shivanya. Very good, Shivanya. Santosh. 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 Very good, Santosh. Sri Ananya.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I am.
Why are you crying? Why? What happened?
Why are you crying? சொல்றாங்க. ஏன் சொல்லு?
Tuesday.
Okay.
அழகா இருக்கீங்களா? and
Yeah,
Ryan.
சொல்லு.
Give her what you want. என்ன வேணுமோ கொடுங்க. Okay,
Yes,
get
ma'am.
what you want.
Yeah, ma'am. She got it, but she wants to play now.
Let her play. Let her play. I'll start the session. At that time, she can attend. No issues. Give her to play. Okay,
Yeah,
children,
okay,
be ready with Maida plate also, children. Next is Sugriv Gautam. Sugriv Gautam.
அங்க பாருங்க கை மேம் கூப்பிடுறாங்க.
Sugriv Gautam. Absent, Sugriv Gautam. Okay. Absent.
அங்க பாரு மேம் அங்க பாரு சுக்ரீவ் ஹியர் ஐ அம் சொல்லுங்க. மேம் பாத்து சொல்லுங்க.
Where are you? Look at me and say.
Here I am.
Okay. Tarneshwar. Tarneshwar.
Here I am.
Very good, Tarneshwar. Varsha.
Here I am.
Very good, Varsha. Visha Sai.
Here I am, sir.
Here I am.
Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika.
Here I am.
Here I am.
Very good. Vihan.
சொல்லு.
Vihan.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Here I am.
Very good, Vihan. Thank you so much, children. Yes, ma. Thank you. Okay, children. Now, are you ready with your Maida plate? Come on, bring your Maida plate. Come on. Ready, all of you? Okay, now number 1. Today we are going to trace number 1. Come on, 1. See here. 1 is just a standing line. 1. Only with one finger, children. Don't mess up with your fingers. Okay? Only 1. One finger you have to use. 1.
Straight line.
A straight line. 1.
Straight line. Straight line.
1.
Okay, okay.
Very good. Now, next we are going to write 2. Already I taught you children how to write 2. A curve first. A curve like C first. And then a sleeping line. A curve and a sleeping line. Yes, come on, show me. A curve and a sleeping line. Very good. A curve and a sleeping line. Good. Now number 3. 3 is double curve. Yesterday we learned double curve. Do you all remember? Yesterday we learned double curve, right? That one. See here. 1, 2. One curve, another curve. Double curve. One curve, another curve. Very good, Keshav. Good. Good, children. Is anyone feeling difficult to write this? Number 3. Is there anyone? Very good. Radhyani, good. Keshav, Prisha, Taruneshwar. Then Sugriv Gautam. Mahini. What are you writing? Number 3. Write number 3. Visha, very good, Visha. Wonderful, Visha. Good. Very good. Okay, now number 4. 4 is very easy, children. A standing line, sleeping line, again one standing line. See here. 4. Yes, can you see? 4. First, a standing line, sleeping line, and again a standing line. 4. Sarah, what are you writing? 4. Ravi Kartika, show me how you have done. Show me. I can't see, ma. Yeah, good. 4. Next is 5. 5 is little bit difficult, but we'll try, okay? Somewhat we'll try. First, for that, you have to draw a sleeping line. Okay, ready? See here. First, a sleeping line. Then the same standing line and again a backside curve. Without taking your hand, try to write 5. See here. Sleeping line, standing line, and a curve. Sleeping line, standing line, and a curve. Very good, Ma Madhuvanti. Good. Dharmeshwar, good. Parents, if they're feeling difficult, you can write and give them in the plate. Let them write over that. If it is difficult, you can guide them like that. Yes, Vihan, 5. Good, Sri Ananya. Good. 5, sleeping line, standing line, and a curve. Krisha, how are you writing, Krisha? Write 5. 5, one more time. Disha, very good, Disha. Good, Radhya, and good. Mitra, Santosh, playing with Mama, va? Chacho. Come on, right? Children, right? Down and right. Good boy, Santosh. Come on, you will get a chocolate. Come on, right. Get a chocolate today, okay? Come on, right fast. Yes, very good. Very good, ma. Radhyani, good. Keshav, good. Nisha, good. Very good. Gautam, Sugriv, Gautam. How did you write to me? Sugriv, Gautam. Yes, very good, Kavi Kartika. Well done. Well done. Good. Okay, next is number 6. 6 is also very easy, children. See here. And a curve. Like a standing line, you have to draw and a curve. Very good. 6. Very good. Who's that? Varsha, very good, Varsha. Good. Mitra, show me how you have written 6. 6.
Madhuvanti finished, ma'am.
Standing line and a curve. Madhuvanti, good. Mitra, one more time write 6, Mitra. Let me see how you are writing. One more time. Yeah, good, correct. From top, they have to bring their finger. Yes. Very good, Disha, Radhyani. Good. Very good. Hazel. Come on, you yourself write Hazel. One finger, only with one finger. Come on. Do it, Hazel. Curve. Good. But without taking your hand, you have to write, okay? Sai Shivanya, very good, Sai Shivanya. Kavi Kartika, good. Vihan, Yeah, welcome, Vihan.
Yes, ma'am. Chalo.
Sarah. Yeah, good, ma, Vihan. Sarah. Sarah, yesterday you wrote very well. What happened to Sarah today? Come on, let me see how you are rating 6. Let me see. Right now. Sarah. One more time. What is this ulta? Come on, one more time. Rearrange the maida and give it to her. One finger. Only one finger, Sarah. Only one finger. Naughty girl. Come on. Dharneshwar, good ma. Very good. Right. 6. No holding hands. No, Sarah. No. Fifth liko, Sarah. No. Wrong. Playing. This girl is playing with Maida. Oh my God. Okay, next is 7. Okay, while writing in the worksheet, we'll see 7. 7 is a sleeping line and a slanting line. Sleeping line, slanting line. 7. 7 is very easy, children. 7. Good, very good. Well done, all of you. Very good. Yes. Yes, very good. Very good, children. Okay, very good. Good. Okay, till 7 it's okay over. Okay, the rest of the numbers we learn it from Monday. Okay, children. And then now we are going to learn the shapes. Circle, draw a circle first. Draw a circle.
Circle வந்து round.
Draw a circle.
இதுதான் circle. இதுதான் circle. இதுதான் circle. அப்படி
Circle.
பண்ணலையா?
Very good. Circle
ஆரம்பிச்ச
over. Yeah, good. Next is square. Square we already learned, right? Square. 4 sides all are equal. Okay. So, square. Square. Good. Square. And next we are going to learn about triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Okay, see here. 1, 2, 3. Triangle. See here. 1, 2, 3. Triangle. Come on, draw everyone. Triangle. Very good, Prisha. Triangle. Very good, Sri Ananya, Prisha, Vihan. Like A itself, you have to write, children. See here, slanting line. Slanting line, but on the bottom, you will write one sleeping line. That is triangle. Count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides, has 3 sides, has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides, like a pizza slice. You all like pizza, right? How will the slice be in a pizza? Like a triangle, yes or no? That's it. A triangle has 3 sides, has 3 sides, has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides, like a pizza slice. Very good, children. So all of you take your rough notebook. Come on, keep your Maida plate aside. Take your rough notebook and crayons, pencils, everything. Come on, take a fresh page. Wipe your hands with a towel. Rough notebook, pencil, and crayons. So 3 shapes we are going to draw today: a circle, a square and a triangle. So 3 shapes you have to draw it, and 3 shapes you are going to color it. Come on, do it fast. Take a fresh page, write today's date, ask your parents to write today's date. From Monday, we'll be doing worksheet. On Monday, I need a monthly calendar for the date activity. And then those who have uniforms, you can wear it on Monday and Wednesday. Those who have got your uniforms, please wear it on Monday and Wednesday.
Ma'am, for Vihan, when we will get the kit, ma'am?
Yeah, you can call our school and you can I can confirm it.
Sure.
I don't know, you can ask Uma ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, children, draw a circle, a square and a triangle. In a single page, not in a different page. In a single page, draw 3 shapes and color it. Do it.
Now color, mama.
You yourself should do, children. Parents, please don't ask your child to keep the notebook on their lap and write. Let them keep it on the floor or on the table. They keep it on their lap and write, they will not be able to write comfortably. So let them keep it on the floor and write. Then the handwriting will also be wavy only. Santosh. Santosh, what are you doing, Santosh? Come on, say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sulu.
Let me see what you are doing. Why your video is not enabled? Come on, draw. I want a clean drawing. Come on, can you please focus on the drawing? Is there any problem, parents, in the pencil holding? If so, please let me know. Pencil holding is very important. Please let me know if they are having any issues. Krisha, why are you crying, Krisha? Whatever colors you want to give, you can give, children. Your favorite colors. Square, triangle and a circle. சந்தோஷ் அம்மா கொஞ்சம் கேமரா மட்டும் டில்ட் பண்ணுங்களேன். Do it, Santosh. Vihan, inside the boundary you have to color, Vihan. Dashwan also inside the boundary.
No, line color பண்ணனும் சொல்றாங்க. ஓகே மேம் சொல்லு.
Children, all of you look at the screen, children. 1 minute, look at the screen, everyone. Hello. Stop coloring. Stop coloring, stop drawing. 1 minute, look at the screen. If you are going to color, First, cover the boundary here. This edges you have to color like this, children. First, finish off with the edges. Okay. First, finish off with the boundary here, outline. When you finish off with this, then freely you can color inside. Then the coloring part will not go outside the boundary and it will look good also. But when you are coloring like this, 1 minute. But when you color like this, it will go outside like this only. So don't color like that. First, complete your outline first. First in the oram full cover pannidunga, color it. And then inside you can color freely. Finish off with the outline and then you can color inside freely. Okay? If whatever shape it is, whatever picture it is, first cover with the edges and then color it inside. Then it will not at all come outside. Your picture is going to look very good.
Pink man.
Yes, show me. Keshav, still more perfectly you can color Keshav. Cover all the sides. Come on, no white part should be visible. Cover it completely. Very good, Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti coloring is good. Very good. Visha, good ma Visha. Very good, Visha.
Thanks. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Visha
ma'am.
also finished, huh?
Ma'am, this is circle and this is K and this is rectangle and this is
All the shapes are rectangle also.
heart and this is triangle and
Very
this
good.
is star.
You are very smart, Prisha. Very good girl.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Kanna. Okay, Varsha. Mitra, colored, Mitra.
சாமி சாமி என்னன்னு சொல்லு.
Mitra, finished.
And then I am
Good, Mitra. But even more perfectly, you can cover all those white parts. No white part should be visible. First, you cover all those edges, children, and then inside you can color. Yes, Vihan. Very good, Vihan. What are the shapes you have drawn?
சேஃப் சொல்லு விஷ்ணு.
What are the shapes you have drawn?
square, circle, square, rectangle, triangle.
Rectangle, triangle.
Triangle, rectangle.
Achacho, Vihan. Why so confused, Vihan, today? What happened? You didn't have your breakfast? What happened, Vihan?
I had ma'am சொல்லு. விஷ்ணு.
Vihan, look at ma'am. Vihan. Why so confused, Vihan?
Busy playing with crayons.
Very busy body. Okay, next is Dashwan.
Circle, square, triangle.
Lollipop, bribing your child, giving lollipop. Good. Dashwan, very good, Dashwan. Good, but even more perfectly you can color, okay? Good. Next is Hazel. Good boy. Hazel.
Ma'am, Santosh finished, ma'am.
Good, Hazel. Good girl.
Santosh finished. Kami, ma'am.
Santosh. Good, Hazel. Very good. Santosh, you colored, Santosh?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. He only colored.
Very good, Santosh. Perfect coloring. Very good boy. Well done. Thank you so much, Santosh.
Thank you, ma'am. Solle.
Who else
Thank you, ma'am.
finished?
Bye.
Tarneshwar, Sara, Varsha, very
Sai
beautiful.
Shivanya
color.
finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am. Finish.
Shivanya,
Sai
very
Shivanya.
good. Good, Shivanya.
Shivanya, finish.
Yeah, very good, Shivanya. Varsha, very good. Tarneshwar, Sudhir Gautam.
Finish, ma'am. Goodbye.
What? Turn your book and show me. Yes, good, Gautam, but still even more clearly you can color. Even more perfectly, okay? Cover first, cover all the edges and then color inside. That way your picture is going to be very good.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Sollu.
Tarneshwar,
Thank
good.
you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome.
Hello,
Tarneshwar, very good, Tarneshwar.
The blue glitter and color panel.
Isha,
Thank you, Sollu. Thank you.
very good, Tarneshwar. Visha. Visha. Good, Visha. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Sollu.
Okay, children, now ready? All of you circle the triangle first. Circle the triangle. Where is triangle? Circle it. Triangle. Circle the triangle. You have drawn 3 shapes, right? Circle, square, and triangle. Circle the triangle. Sara. Where is triangle, Sara? Show me where is triangle.
Triangle. Where is triangle, Sarah?
Very good. Circle the triangle, circle. Circle
Circle.
around that. Very good.
That is-
Next is square. Circle the square.
as a
Circle the
circle.
square.
As a
Square
circle.
சுத்தி ஒரு circle போடுங்க.
Chukkero.
Good. Finished up. Parents, please check whether they are circling it correctly. And then finally circle. Circle. Finish. Very good. Well done, children. Well done. Now take your math notebook. Very good, Sugriv Gautam. Take your math notebook, everyone. Write today's date. We are going to write from number 1 to 5 today, okay? Come on, take your notebook, write today's date. Date is very important, children. Then only we'll have a track of what we are doing every day. So please, parents, write date every day. Ready? Today's date is 1/8/18 dash 6 dash 2121.
Ma'am, I don't know which one is the max note. Sorry.
Check the notebooks.
Which one, ma'am?
Check the notebook. Checks, not the 4-line notebook.
Oh, check the check note. Okay, good.
Those who don't have notebook, you can carry on with your rough notebook. In rough notebook, please draw checks and give them parents. We are using rough notebook. Ready? This is number 1. See here, children. Check notebook, you will have like this, right? You will have checks like this. Yes or no? So in this check, how we are going to write is inside only one check you have to write. So I'm saying number 1, write it in only one check. 1. Then leave the next box. Write number 2. Like this you have to write. Alternative boxes you have to write. Okay? Don't write continuously. Initially we'll write like this. Then when we start writing numbers, we'll write continuously. Okay? First is number 1. Is there anyone writing 1, 2, 3 like this? No, this is wrong. Don't write like this. Numbers, you have to write one below the other. Only alphabet will be writing in a line. Numbers in math, you have to write one below the other. Second is number 2, 3, 4, 5. Write first.
Wait, ma'am.
Finished, Keshav? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, Keshav.
Think, ma'am.
Good, very good. Get a star. Then who else? Sugriv Gautam playing. Rehan. Rehan finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me. Yeah, good ma Rehan. Get a star, Rehan.
Thanks, ma'am.
Yeah, get a star. Shivanya. Very good, Shivanya. But I don't have space, so I've written like this, Shivanya. But you can write continuously one below the other.
Okay,
I don't have space, so that I've written 4 and 5 here.
Okay, ma'am.
You can erase 4 and 5. Tell me
I
to
thought
write
it
below
would be easy for you to see in horizontal way because in screen you
No,
can
no.
type it.
When you ask her to write like that, no, then in future also they'll get that habit. So you ask,
Okay, okay.
erase it and give it to her. Let her write
Yeah,
below
sure.
3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes,
Madhuvanti,
Madhuvanti. Very good, Madhuvanti. Where is your max notebook, ma?
Max note la ponnaala ma'am. Sari.
Children, I don't have space, so I have written like that. But you write like this itself, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this itself, you write. Madhuvanti, still you didn't buy notebook, ma? Madhuvanti, இன்னும் note வாங்கலீங்களா? Next, who else finished? When you call me only, I'll know, children. Tarneshwar, finish, huh?
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Tarneshwar. Get a star. Well done. Get a star.
Yes, ma'am. I'm done, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute, ma.
I'm done, ma'am.
Sri Ananya. Yeah, good, Sri Ananya. Good. Get a star.
Madhuvanti finish ma'am.
Yes, Madhuvanti. Good, Madhuvanti. Yes, Keshav. Keshav, you already finished, no, Keshav?
Keshav showing his stars, ma'am.
Santosh, ma'am.
1 minute. Yes, Keshav. Tell me.
Keshav showing his stars, ma'am.
Yes? Sorry, I can't hear you clearly. Keshav.
Radhya.
Very good, Keshav. Good. Next, Radhyani. Very good, Radhyani. Get a star. Continue writing it 3 times, children. Okay, the same line. Leave two checks and then you write. Okay, 3 times you have to write. 1 time you have written it, right? 3 times you have to write it. Okay, and send it to me. Okay, children. Very good. Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika. That's what I told you. Don't write in 4-line notebook. Maths should be written in checked notebook. Checks notebook la eludhanum. Here, checks will be like this, no, in one notebook. That notebook you have to use it for maths. That too in a line you should not write. Line la eludha kudadu. One below the other. Onnu kida onnu eludhanum. Okay, Kavi Kartika. Change it in maths notebook. Come on. Next, who else finish, children? Hazel finish.
இந்த கட்டத்துக்குள்ள இந்த பாக்ஸ்ல 1 போடு. இந்த
Richa.
கலவெச்சு எடுக்காத, இந்த பாக்ஸ்ல 1 போடு.
Sara. Santosh. Sugrit Gautam. Come on, who finish? Hazel.
Santosh, ma'am.
Santosh. You can't see what you're writing, Santosh. Closer to it, children. Very good, Santosh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Start, Santosh. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Little bit closer, ma. Yeah, good. 3 times you have to write, okay? Good. Very good, Hazel. Yes, ma. Very good. Next, who finished? Mahilini. Mahilini. Trisha finished.
No, just talk to ma'am. Talk to ma'am. Say you. This is all she did now. She's having difficulty with 4 and 5. So
Ora.
yeah, she doesn't know how to write 4 and 5.
Write L you have to write, ma. Prisha. You'll write L, no? L. Only one standing line you are going to add to that. See, ma'am is going to show you how to write. See here. See here, Prisha. Look at ma'am. You will write L, right? Standing line, sleeping line. L you will write. Now we are going to draw a standing line, another standing line. That's it. 4. Now is it easy? First L madri eludhanum. First write like L. Then you have to draw a standing line. That's it. 4.
Prisha. Okay.
And then 5 sleeping line, standing line, and a curve. That's it.
Prisha, C. Prisha, C.
Sleeping line, standing line, and a curve.
Can you try it now?
Yeah, try it. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Sugrit Gautam. Dashwan, good Dashwan. Dashwan, one below the other, not in a line like that. Dashwan, Amma, not like that.
Okay,
One below
okay,
the
ma'am.
other. One kilo, one
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, Supreet has
Sugrit, others please mute yourself.
for him 4 and 5 is very new. Only today he's
4 and
trying.
5. Why 4 is difficult for a few of you? 4 is very easy. Sugriv, how will you write L?
L coming. Straight
L
line, sleeping line.
standing line, sleeping line. And then one standing line. Is this difficult? Laughing. See, that boy is cheating you. cheating this boy. Huh? Don't want chocolate, right first.
Hey, chocolate வாங்கி தருவாங்களா ma'am? Okay.
I'll give you chocolate here itself. Wait first. Yes. Who's calling Vanilla, ma'am?
Vihan.
Vihan, yes, ma, Vihan. Wow, that many stars, huh?
Ma'am.
Amazing, yourself giving these many stars, huh? Vihan's mom and dad.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good, children. Practice it. Write 3 more times, okay? And then take a snap of it and send it to me. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Write it in your math notebook and send it in group. Okay, I'll correct it. Okay, children. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Bye, everyone. See you on Monday.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.